What's up guys, Vinny here. This is Trickology of Skateboarding, and today we are gonna get into how to do front shove it and also how to do switch front shove it. The front shove it is a trick that I personally really like to do when I'm warming up, and also it's a good trick to do in the middle of a line when you just want to switch the side of the board, when you're with the nose on the back and you just want to change it to put the tail on the back again. So to do the front shove, like to do the ollie, I like putting my foot inside of the board. To do the front shove, I just put a little bit after, a little bit outside of the board. The back foot is what is gonna make all the work. Your back foot is gonna be right in the middle of the tail, because in the middle of the tail you have a better pop. Once you pop it forward, the board is gonna go up more powerful, let's say. So the front foot is gonna be right there. The front foot, you don't really do anything with it. The only thing you're gonna do with the front foot is take it out of the way, pull it up, and wait till the board do the movement till you be able to catch it. The only movement your back foot is gonna do is to pop it forward. You're gonna kind of kick it forward. You pop it, kicking it forward, wait the board to make the movement, and then your front foot is gonna be already there to catch the front shove. And the back foot, also once you kicked it, you just wait till the board make its movement and you're gonna catch it with it and keep going to that direction. The foot position to do the front shove, I like putting my foot aligned with the front screws a little bit out of the board. The back foot, I like putting right in the middle of the tail, because this is where you're gonna have more power once you pop to pull the trick up. So you pop it, the way you're gonna pop is kicking it forward. So you pop it right in the middle, kicking it forward, and the board is gonna make the front shove movement. You're gonna pop it, it's gonna make its movement, and the front foot is gonna be already there to catch it. Once the front foot catched it, the back foot is also gonna catch it, and you're just gonna land it and keep riding to that side. I'm gonna do some front shoves, but it's in different angles, and then you guys can see how it is and try yourself. We just talked about how to do the front shove it, and now we are gonna get into how to do switch front shove it. I know that sometimes when you take a trick from the regular to the switch, it might feel hard in your mind, but when we are talking about a switch front shove it, it's literally the same. It's the same level as a front shove it. The movement is literally the same, and how you're gonna do it is also, the feeling is the same, the way you do it is literally all the same. The front foot is going to be the same foot position, aligned with the front screws, a little bit outside of the board. And the back foot is going to go right in the middle of the nose, which when you were on the switch is going to be your tail. The front foot, the only thing it's going to do is pull up, because the back foot is what is going to pop. And once you pulled it up, it's going to just wait the board, finish the movement to catch the board, and then you land the trick and keep riding. So the back foot is where it's gonna do the whole movement. I like putting it right in the middle of the tail, because that's where you're gonna have more power in your board. Right in the middle of the tail, once you popped, you're gonna be able to control the power of popping it higher or not. So when you pop right in the middle, instead of popping it down, you kick it, like you pop it forward, just as in the regular front shove it. So in the switch front shove it, you're gonna pop it forward, the board is gonna do its movement, the front foot is gonna be already there to catch the front shove it, and the back foot is gonna be already there to catch as well. Then you land the trick and keep riding to that side. So the foot position for the switch front shove it, I like putting it right aligned with the front screws, a little bit out. The back foot right in the middle of the tail, and then you're gonna pop it, kicking it forward. The front foot just gonna go up, because once you finish the movement, it's gonna catch. Once this foot catches, you're gonna be able to catch with the back foot as well. You're gonna land it and keep riding to the switch side. I just explained the theory of how to do the switch front shove it. Now I'm gonna do some switch front shove it in different angles to be able to show how it is. You can just observe what my foot is doing, what my body is doing, what the board is doing, and then you can just apply it yourself. This is the video of how to do front shove-its and also how to do switch front shove-its. I hope I had helped you guys on learning how to do that tricks. So the front shove-its as the switch front shove-its. And from now on, we are gonna just keep following the list. So in the next video, we are gonna talk about fake front shove-its and nollie backside shove-its. And on the next video, you're gonna understand why on fake is front side and nollie backside. Thanks for watching the video to here. And don't forget to subscribe in the bottom, to like the video, also to leave it a comment and to send to that friend who is also learning how to do a front shove it and to level up to a switch front shove it as well. Thanks for watching to here, and I see you guys in the next video.